Home HVAC Services provides professional residential duct cleaning in West Chester, Pennsylvania to help homeowners maintain cleaner indoor air and a more efficient HVAC system. Our experienced technicians thoroughly clean air ducts, vents, and accessible system components using reliable equipment and proven methods. If you have any questions, contact our residential duct cleaning team. Are you looking for residential duct cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. How often should residential air ducts be cleaned? Most homeowners should consider duct cleaning every 3 to 5 years. More frequent service may be helpful if you have pets, allergies, recent renovations, excessive indoor dust, or visible debris around your vents. What are the signs that my air ducts need cleaning? Common signs include dust blowing from vents, unpleasant odors, inconsistent airflow, visible buildup on vent covers, worsening allergy symptoms, and unusually high amounts of dust throughout your home. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania Service Office? Our residential duct cleaning have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.